Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Jereel on your screen as usual. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new here, please subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification bell, like this video, share, comment, and without further ado, let's dive right into this video. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to prepare a fenugreek, hibiscus, and green tea hair spritz. It's a powerful hair spritz to prevent hair breakage, to prevent hair loss. Fenugreek seed, which is also known as the Memphis seed in Hindi language, is very rich in folic acid, vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C. It's very good to treat your hair, to strengthen your hair. It's not going to let your hair break. It is very rich in all these products to prevent hair loss. To prepare my fenugreek juice, I'm going to grab a jar and I'm going to pour my fenugreek into this jar. Fenugreek seeds have high protein content and nicotinic acid content too, which are very beneficial for hair loss and dandruff. It treats scalp itchiness, dryness, and baldness, and also hair thinning. So now I'm going to pour in water into my fenugreek. I'm going to pour this water to the brim and fill up the jar so that the quantity of juice I'll receive or I will get out of it will be enough. Fenugreek also contains a large amount of lecithin, which hydrates the hair and strengthens the roots of the hair follicles. So you see already when I poured in the water, the fenugreek had already started emitting that yellowish color. So what I'm going to do is just to cover this jar and keep this jar in a hidden place overnight. After 24 hours, I'm just going to strain my fenugreek juice. So I'm using this white bowl and grabbing a white towel and I'm going to put it over the bowl and I'm going to bring my fenugreek juice. I don't know why it is foamy, but because I think that the whole nutrient in the seed has entered into the water. And I'm going to strain this fenugreek and take just the water. This water is quite slimy. I never knew that this is how this thing is. It's quite slimy. And this slime it contains gives a shine, a healthy shine to the hair. So the next thing on the list is our hibiscus leaves. These are dried hibiscus leaf. You can buy it in your local market. Hibiscus leaf enhances hair growth and also eliminates dandruff. Hibiscus juice also makes your hair look healthy and lustrous. It prevents premature growing to the hair. It thickens your hair and adds volume to it. Like I said earlier, it treats dandruff. It fights against frizz, dryness, and breakage. Next thing on our table is our green tea. I got this green tea from my grocery store and this is also very good for the hair. Studies have shown that green tea is particularly very good for the hair. It is rich in catechin, which helps reduce dihydrotestosterone, DTH, responsible for hair loss. Green tea also fights against dry scalp and dandruff. So to prepare our green tea and hibiscus juice, I'm going to grab a bowl of hot water. You need to extract the tea. You need to dip the tea in the hot water so that the juice can come out. So I'm going to dip the tea bags in a hot water. I'm going on to add the hibiscus leaves and this is going to emit its nutrients into the hot water. So I'm just adding my hibiscus leaf and stirring it in. You see that the color of the tea is changing. This is where we get that rich red color that makes you want to always click on this kind of videos. Yeah, this is very nice. Hibiscus leaf is also known as the leaf we use to make zobo in Nigeria, for those that don't know, and zobolo in Ghana. So you need to set this juice aside till it cools down. I'm so sorry guys, I didn't show a clip of when I mixed the fenugreek and the hibiscus and green tea together, but I promise I mixed everything together and put it into the spray bottle. Now it is ready for application. So to apply this, I shake it very well. I told you that the fenugreek is slimy, and the fenugreek in this juice is almost half of the bottle. So yeah, I'm going to part my hair into sections so that my fingers can go in and detangle and massage at the same time, making sure that this juice or this spritz settles in my hair very well. So I'm just going to apply it to the roots of my hair, and I'm going to massage it in with my finger. I'm taking it bit by bit. I'm not doing big sections at one time. I'm taking it bit by bit so that this juice or this spritz can get into my scalp properly. And I'm not only applying it on the roots of my hair, I'm also applying it on the body and the tail of my hair. The tail of our hair needs so much care because it's the weakest and the oldest part. So when I massage that in, I go on to secure it into a 2-strand twist so that the product can sit on the hair. Also, while applying this onto your hair, be very sure that it's going to be dripping and soaking you at the same time. That's why you see me looking so ratchet. I don't care because I really want this thing to get into my hair. So I'm working on the second portion, the next portion of my hair, and I'm spritzing the juice and massaging. The work done here is to massage it into your scalp and into your hair. It's going to prevent hair breakage, hair loss, and dandruff at the same time. At this juncture, I'm pretty sure I've done all the explanations that needed to be done for this video or in this video. So I'll just let you guys enjoy the music playing in the background. I'll see you at the end of the video. So guys, after I've worked in sections and I've secured my entire hair, I'm just going to go over the hair again with the juice to make sure that every part of the hair, every corner of the hair is damp in this juice. So guys, I'm going to secure my hair with this bag and let the product sit on my hair for about 1 hour 30 minutes. Then I'm going to go to the shower and wash it off with a mild shampoo and conditioner. So guys, we've gotten to the end of this video. Do not be in doubt of how this thing can work for your hair. Believe and trust the process. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.